May I invite Mr. Manoj Kakade, President of BPCL SC/ST Employees Association, to share his thoughts, please.
Good afternoon, respected Chairman and Managing Director Shri G. Krishna Kumar sir, जिन्हें हम प्यार से के सर भी बोलते हैं. Keynote speaker for the day, Shri Yogi Raj Bagul sir. Our guest of honor, Director of Finance, Shri V.A.R.K. Gupta sir. We were also to have Sanjay Khanna sir and our Sukhmal Jain sir, but last moment there was an VC and they had to stay back. So, but their support is always there with us. Present dignitaries, eminent guests, ladies, gentlemen, and dear friends, I am honored to welcome you all to the celebration commemorating the 133rd birth anniversary of one of the greatest visionaries and social reformer of our nation, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Today, as we gather to pay homage to the architect of Indian Constitution, let us reflect on Dr. Ambedkar's tireless efforts towards social justice, equality, empowerment. His teachings continue to inspire generations, urging us to strive for a society where every individual is treated with dignity and respect, regardless of caste, creed, and gender. As we celebrate this auspicious occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to uphold the values of inclusivity, compassion, and justice that Baba Saheb Ambedkar stood for. Let us pledge to work towards building a society where every person has equal opportunity to thrive and contribute to the progress of this nation. BPCL SC/ST Employees Association, which was formed in 1985, since last 39 years has been working towards the welfare of the employees. Our top management has always been supportive, not only morally, but financially also, because unless and until we have that support, we will not be able to do what we have been doing. As CGM Partha sir has already touched upon, the activities being done by the association, the two topmost activities, what he has already touched, I will also repeat that, because here we have shifted our total focus now from employees to the society, under the theme, giving back to the society. As the first step, we conducted a women's hygiene awareness and medical checkup camp at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur, where every year lakhs of devotees from rural India come to pay us tribute to Baba Saheb. We also distributed multivitamin tablets, sanitary pads, and specs. Every member who got involved in execution of this initiative felt pride and sense of satisfaction, including our HRS team. Taking the clue from Atmanirbhar Bharat, we plan to give back to the society by educating our own youth under the Entrepreneurship Development Program, wherein we have conducted, till now we have conducted 2 batches. As Partha sir has already said, this has been one of the wonderful initiatives which we have taken, wherein this is a 2-week residential program wherein we select people from all India, bring them to our Vadilub Training Institute. For 2 weeks, we train them to be an entrepreneur, and along with that, we do build up their confidence. Chairman of Parliamentary Committee as well as National Commission of SC has also recorded their appreciation for this initiative. Our Director HR, Shri Rajkumar Dubey sir, has also assured his full support and advised us to take this initiative to a larger scale. We would also like to express our gratitude towards Director HR for giving us opportunity to put forth our concerns about SC/ST employees. And he has given us a very positive response through the promotion list which has been declared recently, which has brought smiles on a lot of faces. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you and thank you for joining in the celebration of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's life and legacy. Together, let us strive to realize his dreams of just and equitable society. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.